शरी ये कपड़े पैक नहीं करने क्या?
यार इतनी ठंड है, कुछ तो पहन के जाना है. इसको भी अंदर रखेंगे.
Okay, rest all packed?
Yes, the 2 suitcases, our 2 backpacks, and our 2 bags.
Kangaroo bags.
Yeah. We are
It's
be ready and we're going to our next destination. And guess what, guys? हम लोग ट्रेन में जा रहे हैं. इतने सालों बाद we are going to be traveling by train and
international train.
हाँ, international train में अभी तक गए नहीं हैं. तो आज दोपहर को जाएंगे and कल सुबह पहुँचेंगे. कहाँ जाएंगे? Wait and watch.
17 hours of journey. It's quite a long journey.
क्या बोलेंगे?
बहुत मजा आने वाला है.
Yes. खाएंगे, पिएंगे, ऐश करेंगे और क्या?
और भी कुछ करेंगे.
Okay.
Ciao.
Bye. People keep following. In this episode, we will walk you through the craziness of Old Quarter. Have you actually seen the size and color of vegetables and fruits in Vietnam? You will be definitely surprised. Vietnamese are very sweet people, and I think they have a sweet tooth as well. In fact, we've heard that their coffee tastes like dessert. So we will be tasting the different flavors of coffee and sharing it with you.
You can see the hard-working people of Vietnam. What's his name?
What a cute dog. The dogs here are lovely. They're like teddy bears, brown, woolly, and so cute. I want a dog. Let's take a dog back. There's such a cute dog basking in the sun. I think it's really cold and the sun is out. If you want to do chocolate shopping, then this is the best place, I think. So in our visit in the market, we saw so many women early morning, and oh my God, look at the size of the fruits, the vegetables, the vivid colors of the flowers. We also saw this lovely Vietnamese sweets. They look like laddus, coconut laddus.
This is a typical morning scene in the market, Vietnam market. Hey Sheri, let's have coffee here.
Yeah, let's have coffee.
Yeah.
I heard they have amazing coffee, like egg coffee, coconut coffee. Let's try.
Yes. This looks like a good place. Let's go here. So the cafe places in Vietnam are more like pubs. So this is the famous egg coffee from Vietnam.
Looks very creamy
Yeah.
and caramelly. And I'm not gonna have it. It's only gonna be free because eggs and me.
Okay. I'm gonna try it.
There you go. And he takes a sip. Does he like it?
It's more like a dessert.
Oh,
Coffee is like a lot of cream. It's a dessert.
it's like caramel custard.
Like caramel.
And the man is enjoying it.
It's like warm from inside and cold, the cream is cold from top. So you get a mix of both hot and cold.
But what is the flavor?
It's caramel flavor.
Caramel?
Yeah.
Is it sweet?
Sweet, sweet.
Very?
Very sweet.
The Shetty has a sweet tooth.
Oh, it's the... Even I was very skeptical. Very nice.
We have these two cute guys here.
शेरी, तुमने बोला था कि तुम ये एग कॉफ़ी नहीं पीने वाले हो. मैंने बोला एक सिप पी लो, फिर पछताओगे नहीं. पी लो.
Oh my god!
Yes.
Oh my god! So for all the vegetarians here, egg coffee is divine. It's like, you know, the mousse cake, chocolate mousse cake, caramelized, creamy, and hot coffee. Oh god! This is mine now. I'm not scared.
Okay, have fun. One more Vietnamese coffee place. See how well decorated and well stocked they are. The best coffee in the world is Vietnamese coffee.
This coconut coffee.
Oh yeah? We'll
And
try
then this salt coffee. We try all that in Hoi An.
See, this is another example of the Vietnamese coffee culture. जैसे हम लोग अड्डे में चाय पीते हैं, ये लोग रोड साइड में बैठ के अपना कॉफ़ी पी रहे हैं. This is such a beautiful street with all local shops, bars and coffee shops, restaurants. Beautiful. Oh, here we've come to a lantern street again.
This is called Lee Theatre. 1900. In Vietnam, early morning is amazing place to see a lot of people. You have family people. We also saw this couple who I felt have directly come in from the party because the girl was dressed beautifully in a red dress. Look at them buying their groceries, and I think directly from the party to home. I think they've not slept at all. The streets of Old Quarter early morning was bustling with two-wheelers, people going about their chores, going to office, dropping their kids to school, and it was just so nice to watch.
The famous Banh Mi of Vietnam, along with some craft beer. She's the
Lucy.
yeah.
That's why her nickname is Lucy Everywhere.
Lucy everywhere. Yeah, I read it so many times.
I mean,
And I asked yesterday also where's Lucy. They said you're on
Lucy
you're on
everywhere.
leave.
Yeah, I have a holidays, yeah.
Yeah.
My family. Yeah.
Yesterday Kim took very good care of
Took
us.
care of us. Yeah. Dish called Khao Long.
It's actually quite, you know, it's like the food is, you know, depend on the taste because I cannot eat it.
No, it's very nice.
She can eat it. I cannot eat it.
Spicy.
It's
Not
not
like
spicy.
spicy.
Oh, I like spicy
You
too.
really like spicy.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, this is called Kala.
Oh, you can try this one as
looks
well.
Nice.
It's a specialty.
You can
Oh,
try
okay.
mee guac. I like this one.
Mee
It's
guac is nice too.
very nice and it's
Yeah.
spicy as well. I
Oh,
think you will
okay.
love
Oh,
it.
we like spicy stuff.
Actually,
all
spicy
Indians.
is like the
India, we like
optional
spicy
for food
food.
here. Like we
Yeah,
have this,
yeah.
those chili balls.
Yeah, because they have sauce.
Yeah, sauce.
You can take a picture of
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Oh, it looks nice.
Very good. I mean, very good. My dad have to bought like 5 more portion for this one to come back here. Yeah, because he's like it's a lot.
So do you go to Hoi An a lot? Y'all travel?
Once
Not a lot.
I just went
How do you go? What is we doing the train?
By train.
I go by
went
train as
train.
well. We go by train.
And then
Yeah.
I go back by plane.
Yeah, we thought
Come
we'd
back.
try the train.
But it's
because
17 hours.
Very long.
Very long.
Yeah, very long.
Yeah.
But what ticket do you buy? Like a seat?
Sleeper.
Sleeper was very nice because
Yeah.
when I go like for holiday as well, and because we book like last minute, so it's already full book for the sleeper
Yeah.
seat. We have to sit for the
Oh,
hard
it's
chair.
very long.
Very long.
No, we booked the
But the hard
sleeper.
seat is very
Yes,
terrible.
terrible
Booked the
experience.
sleeper.
The sleeper, the soft sleeper.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Which is fine.
That should be
So
For
fine.
by me, I want to recommend
But if you like to go in the afternoon, then you should be there in the next morning.
Brie.
Next morning. We're there for at
Madam
least
Khan.
3-4 days.
We need
Because
to go.
Oh, madam, yes, this is
Yeah,
for the
we've
banh mi,
seen
right?
The banh mi, right?
Yeah.
Very famous.
Yeah.
I
very
try
famous.
both.
Yes.
Banh mi food. Banh mi food is more popular.
Ah,
Maybe it's
okay.
because of marketing. And Madam Kang, but this one
It's
I think
nicer.
is much nicer. Okay, try this one. This one,
Right.
yes, they have the limitations for one day. It's around only 100 baht per day.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, only they have the limitation.
So keep like the quality of that.
Okay.
Oh,
I
numbers.
really want to build the curiosity of people because only one a day. Yes.
Maybe it's like the strategy.
It's a strategy.
But it's good, yeah.
I mean, I really like your outfits. Look really patterned, like really vibrate.
Yeah? Yeah.
I love your
So,
style.
Yeah,
The
it's really
this thing?
vibrant.
Why?
No, this one, how to call it?
Oh, this thing, yeah, yeah.
This,
This,
yeah,
it's like you can just drop it like this.
So he always loses his glasses.
Yeah.
He keeps it everywhere. So we bought this. So it doesn't.
But he has very like fashion items to keep it with him.
Yeah, yeah, because of his style as well. You know, like
Yeah, so it looks nice.
like me, if I have the string, like look really weird. But for him, he's looking really stylish.
Thank you.
We've got a couple of colors. We've got these
Yeah.
blue stones. Yeah. Matches. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
It's sad, but then we had to say goodbye to Hanoi as we had a train to catch to our next destination. So subscribe if you don't want to miss the next adventure, which will be all about the international train. What we saw, what we felt, everything. So this train is among the top 10 incredible train journeys in the world. So subscribe and watch Presh Chronicles for all our adventures in Vietnam.